Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Nuring Isani, and how are you? I hope you're in a good condition and stay healthy. Okay, here I will try to share how to pronounce English consonants. Consonant sounds. Okay, and why? Because of as that if you know in English there are also rules and you have to know that because of you can just say anything. Okay, and maybe I don't have to waste a time. Let's get started. Okay, and the first word is P. On the alphabet is P, but how to pronounce its consonant is P. 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 The word is pet. Next, and the P on the alphabet, but on the pronounced consonant is B. B. The word is bag, and then H. 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 Hot. On the key. The word is game. There is F. That is pronounced in consonant. F. Fan. Okay, and there is V. How to pronounce its consonant is V. Visa. There is forward is man. There is how to pronounce in consonant is y. There is word yeah, and there is t. There is word toy, and d. Forward is doll, and for word is nut, and there is key, k. The word is rock. Okay, then this is the forward is thing, and then this one is the forward is there, and this forward is bang. There is ch. Forward chat. Maybe once again ch. Chat. There is ch. Chum. Forward is chum. Ch. Next, rock, and there is snake, and I'm sorry, and zip, zip. Okay, and O for leg, and sh for wish. There is H for casual, and V for wheel. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Goodbye.